Hello, thank you for joining me on the new update for the Taxpayer Access Point or TAP website. In this video, we will review the Request a Refund under your Summary tab in TAP. Once you're logged into your TAP account, under your account, you can find the Request a Refund blue hyperlink on the right side. We can go ahead and click on Request a Refund, and it will navigate you to a screen with instructions. Here you'll find the purpose, eligibility, and information that's needed to continue. We'll go ahead and press the next button on the bottom right. On this screen, you'll find account information on the left side, the name of your corporation, the account type, and the ID number. On the right, you'll find the address information for your business. We'll go ahead and click Next on the bottom right. On this screen, we are provided the refund application. We begin with the period ending tab that shows all periods for this account. Right next to it, you have the Credits Available tab. Any credits that are available on your account will be in green with parentheses. The next tab is the Requested Amount. On this tab, you can choose to request if you want a partial refund. The next tab, we have the entire balance. By checking off one of the boxes next to the refund application, you can decide to request the full amount. The last tab on the right is the Status tab, and this shows you the available refunds that you can apply for. For this demonstration, we will go ahead and click the entire balance for both credits on December 31st, 2024 and March 31st, 2024. We can now scroll down, and we have the basis for refund request information here. You are provided a drop-down with a few options, such as a business location change, deduction additional, deduction new, duplicate payment in error, gross receipts, customer returns or refunds, gross receipts, original reported in error, non-refundable business credit, other, refundable business credit, reporting location change, and TRD adjustment notice. For this demonstration, we will click on the duplicate payment in error. On the field box in the bottom, you are required to provide a description of why you're requesting the refund. Be sure not to just merely put in overpayment or one-word answers, as your refund application might get denied. You want to be as descriptive as possible, and if you need to attach a letter of the explanation, you may do so in the next page. We may click Next on the bottom right. Here, you're provided a screen where you can provide supporting documents. If you need to provide any letters or any documents showing proof of why you're requesting this refund, you can do this with the blue Add Attachment button on the bottom. For now, we will click Next on the bottom right. On this screen, you are provided a few options on how you would like to receive your refund. You can click a paper check, and on the right, you are provided the address information to where the check will be issued to. If we click on direct deposit, you will be required to provide your banking information. For now, we will click on paper check and click Next on the bottom right. On this screen, you're provided a summary of the refund request. Here you'll find the refund amount, as well as your description of why you're asking for the refund. On the right panel, you're provided the payment that you chose, which is a paper check for this demonstration. The panel on the bottom, you will click on the red box to declare that the information reported on this form, as well as any other attachments, is true and is correct. Once more, you're provided the opportunity to add any more attachments if you need to under the Add Attachment button. For now, we will click Next on the bottom right. In order to confirm your submission, you will be required to enter your password on this page. Once you put in your password, you can click the Submit button on the bottom right. You will be provided a confirmation with the confirmation number for your application. You can print the confirmation page on the Print Confirmation page or press OK on the bottom right once you're done. Thank you for watching, and be sure to watch our other TAP videos for more information on our YouTube channel.